born an angel, one to carry me home. Hope you come to see me soon, 'cause I don't wanna go alone. I don't wanna go alone. Now, angel, won't you come by me? Angel, hear my plea. Take my hand, lift me up, so that I can fly with thee, so that I can fly with thee. And I'm waiting on an angel, and I know it won't be long.
Este tipo de trabajo yo lo hago porque soy un enamorado de los perros desde que soy un niño.
Hi, my name is Mary, and I am very, very happy to introduce my two rescue dogs, Mary and Bella. Both of them, they belong to the Dog City Pound.
Manuel, dinos cómo conociste a tu esposa. Cuéntanos esa historia. Manuel, please tell us the story how you met Mary, how you met your wife. It's a very, very funny story that also made me like confirm that that's why I came to this work. Okay, this is a very, very funny story, but we were neighbors, but we never met each other. So once he was riding his bicycle and he was looking for an Afghan dog that he had at that time. He was like 12 or 13 years old. And then my sisters, we were desperate because the dog getting to my house, the door was open, so this dog came, a huge black dog came into my house. So my sisters came out and they looked at him that he was like in his bike, desperate looking for something. So they asked him, did you lost the dog? He said, yes, but he's in my house. So that's why we met. Since then we've been together for almost 50 years. And since then we are always helping and Manuel been training dogs. So that is the question. And the answer as well.
Waiting on an angel, one to carry me home.
Es levantarnos muy temprano, limpiar, siempre tengo perros en casa, limpiarles, darles de comer, posteriormente sacarlos a pasear, regresar del paseo, paseos largos, regresar a casa, convivir con ellos dentro de la casa varias horas, estarles enseñando que se comporten bien en casa, dentro de casa, y por la tarde nuevamente llevarlos a pasear otra vez.
Find myself a resting place in my angel's arms, my angel's arms.
Seguiría, hago una esterilización al mes, podría ser 2 o 3 más en las colonias donde más se necesita, en las más pobres, donde hay más perros. Seguiría alimentando perros de la calle, seguiría ayudando con medicamentos perros de la calle, pero pondría más tubos, ayudaría a más perros y sobre todo seguiría buscándoles casas, familias a estos perritos que vienen del acopio municipal, donde están pues encerrados.
When I heard your voice rise again. And I know you claim that you're alright, but fix your eyes on me. I guess some of you have, and I swear you'll see the dawn again. Well, I know I had it all on the line, but don't just sit with folded hands and become blind. 'Cause even when there is no star in sight, you'll always be my only guiding light. Late in my youth, well, I'm still in awe of you. Discover some new truth, and now is always wraps around you. But don't just slip away in the night. Don't just hurl your words from on high. Well, I know I had it all on the line, but don't just sit with folded hands and become blind. 'Cause even when there is no star in sight, you'll always be my only guiding light. If we come back and we're broken, unworthy and ashamed, give us something to believe in, and you know it'll go your way.
That my mission in life is I came forth to help dogs. That's my mission in life.